Hello everyone, today I am going to show you the empty hand Sinawali application of Pekiti Tirsia Kali. Okay, it comes from the weapon Sinawali. Okay, come. Okay, now if you see the Sinawali from stick, this is also called heaven 6. So one forehand, backhand, and then come back, forehand, backhand, and backhand. If you see heaven 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now how you gonna use this Sinawali in empty hand? Okay, so now Imran, come. So if he's in fighting position, I am also in fighting position, or I am in open hand fighting position. Okay, so if the punch comes, straight punch comes cross on my face, so forehand you can use, because if you see the stick movement, 1 and then 2 and then 3, so forehand, backhand, backhand, forehand, backhand, backhand. Okay, so if the punch comes, so this is your forehand. Okay, now backhand, and then you hit on the face, another backhand. Okay, now if you shoot jab on me, 1, okay, forehand, backhand, and then backhand. So you can use against straight punches. Now again, one more time. So it's 1, 2, 3, and then punch come from this side, 1, 2, 3, hit. Okay, now if he stops this punch, the backhand, the last one, go 1, 2. If he stops this, you can use this hand, the other hand, you can shoot punch on his face. Okay, now if the punch comes from this hand, 1 and then 2, if he stops this hand, you can use this punch on his face. Okay, you can use this against jab cross also, because for that you need to go double parry, 1 and then 2. So this is your forehand, now backhand and then hit. Okay, and now if he's in southpaw, so hit jab and cross, 1 and then 2. So I use forehand, now backhand and then backhand. So you can use against jab cross also. Now I'm showing you a little fast. Go 1, hit. Okay, now if it's in southpaw, 1, 2, 3 and then 4. You can use this against jab swing also. Now jab comes 1, so this is forehand. Now swing comes, this is backhand and then backhand. Now if he shoots from the other side, okay, now the jab comes, okay, southpaw. Now the jab comes 1 and swing punch come from that side, so you backhand and then backhand. If he stops the another punch, so 1 and then 2 and then 3. If he stops, you can use Sinawali remaining part from the other side, 1, 2 and then 3, you can hit. Okay, now if he shoots from that side, so 1 and then 2 and then 3. If he stops, you can go 1 and then 2 and then 3 from this side. So you can use full Sinawali against one side jab swing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thank you so much for watching.